I heard y'all just went in short in the trade. 67. I'm getting all that 67. I'm in 2 contracts. I just literally today I upped my contract size. I usually trade 1, now I'm trading 2. So I'm trying to stay like focused. But I really do like this trade. It's clean. It makes sense. So I was just like, fuck it, bro. Like this trading, like, bro. Know what I'm saying? It's time. It's time. Just do it. If you lose, it's cool. We're gonna be profitable in the long run, bro. Hold up. This is the trade still. We're still at the entry. You haven't really moved yet. But this is it right here. We just wait. Remember, I'm gonna be I'm recording this, so this trade is gonna be recorded. So I'm going to let y'all know when the trade is working out a little bit, so I could get some recording for my other YouTube video. Be right back. Y'all, so I'm wanting that fair value gap to hold price, and I want to see some speed sooner or later getting above this high, letting me know that I'm on the right side of the market. I don't want to see this lower end of this fair value gap getting traded into, because we got a nice run above all the sell side stuff on the left. Also, we got a clean run above new week opening gap, so I like that fair value gap that's here getting made above new week opening gap right there. I ain't gonna lie, my voice a little shaky right now because I'm gonna be honest, I just upped my contract size, so I'm a little like but you feel me? It's trading, gotta get used to it, so it is what it is. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna see what this trade can do. We getting that nice displacement above that high. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see that. We gotta stick with the trade though, for sure. I like the trade, so I took the trade. I like the trade. It make a lot of sense to me, so we gonna stick with it. Let's see. I really like this trade. Like the setup. I'm not liking how it's moving right now, but the setup in itself is immaculate. Like I would consider this a A+ setup. So I just gotta trust it, bro. It just seemed like every time we make a high, we just slow down a little bit, though. Like, I want to see us keep pushing higher. We're at 75% quartile of the opening range gap right now. So that's good to see. And we're still trading above that. So my take profit is at the high end of opening range gap, by the way. I'm not going to turn it on right now. But if you know what opening range gap is, then you know. We got above this up candle right here. I want to see us get a little bit more displacement, closing above that. I want to see us close above that up candle, that down candle, I mean, sorry. I ain't gonna lie, I'm being completely honest with y'all, bro. This trade is kind of freaking me out. No bullshit. It is kind of freaking me out. The only thing that's keeping me in this trade is that I literally can see the buy setup. It's like I literally see it, bro. Like I'm seeing it. Like, bro, the setup, bro, like, bro, a setup like this don't just happen and not run buy side, bro. It don't. You feel me? It just like, fuck. This is like a mental thing right now. If you're watching this video, bro, all traders go through it. Like, even ones that make money. Like, this trade is kind of freaking me out right now, not gonna lie. Oh, fuck. 10 o'clock is coming soon. Damn, bro. I wonder if it would just help to walk away. Alright, I like to see that. I like to see this. So we came and took out that low, and we still didn't run into consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. I just want to see us keep. I just want to see us hold that fair value gap, bro. I'm being completely honest right now. Most of my trades don't go like this, but this is a very mind-boggling trade for me, especially since I just upped my contract size, bro. So it's like $90 in one trade risk. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on. Let me talk to my vlog real quick. I gotta let these niggas know. Alright, y'all. So I'm in this NQ long, right? And we was up, we were doing good, then we came down, we took out this low, ran into consequent encroachment at fair value gap. I ain't gonna lie, I was just telling them like that shit was low key scaring me, bro. Since I just like up my contract size, it's like, bro, that shit was low key scaring me. But I am super glad that I did not let me being scared. I'm glad that I did not take action on that emotion. And that is how you be the best trader that you can be. Right there. Right there, bro. I'm telling you. Because if I would have took out, I would have seen that shit. I would have had fucking, I would have been pissed off. And then I would have tried to make my money back. I just fucking passed my funded account. Yes, sir. I ain't even want to say nothing. I ain't even want to say nothing, but I just passed the funded, y'all. Funded is passed. And we lit. We got what? 100. We got $200 on this. We about to make $267 on this. Boom, boom. TP, TP, TP. 3-0 for this week. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo! Man, y'all ready for the trade breakdown, man? God damn. Boy, that trade had my blood pressure goddamn on motherfucking jets, bro. Jets, bro. You should have my shit on jets. But let's go over this trade breakdown. You know what I'm saying, let's go over this shit real quick. So, as you see, I'm lit right now, bro. Today is Thursday, right? FOMC was yesterday. We left these relatively equal highs yesterday, right? We left those. So going into today, I was bullish. I was bullish today. I wanted to see higher prices, right? Okay. So now let's go on down to like a 5-minute chart. All right. So the fact that I'm bullish and I wake up in the morning and I see this shit right here starting at 455, this big ass run down, taking out what? This low. What's that? Sell side. Boom. Sell side liquidity. Right? Sell side. Okay? So we took the sell side. And then at 8:30. So we had high impact news and medium impact news at 8:30. Okay? So the candle at 8:30 is right here. Oh no, it's not. Bro, it's somewhere fucking in here, bro. So it's in here, right? But 8:30 started to run down into a discount while running this low. So we took external liquidity and internal. So external liquidity, internal liquidity. 8:30 started to run into a discount. Also, we took this low too. So we took that low and this low on this run lower down. And we left these lows open. So while seeing that, I'm going to go down to a 1-minute chart. I really hope y'all understanding what I'm saying. Know what I'm saying? So hold on, let me just add one more thing. So basically, if you don't know what I'm saying, if I'm bullish, I want to see manipulation lower run and sell side before we go run buy side. So if I'm vice versa, if I'm bearish, I want to see a fake run higher before I go lower. So in this case, I'm bullish. This was the fake run lower. Okay, boom. So at 9:30, we got this run higher, boom, boom, boom. Automatically after seeing this run higher, boom, 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 up into this rectangle right here, which is the new week opening gap. That's the new week opening gap rectangle. So after seeing us run higher and like basically not want to trade below it, I'm like, okay, we're bullish. And I'm hold on. I'm about to give y'all some sauce. If y'all don't know about this shit, keep watching my channel because I'm really about to start giving some sauce in this bitch. If y'all don't know. But if you go to regular trading hours on your trading view chart, you will see that price had this big ass gap to the upside. So we closed here yesterday and we opened up at 9:30 here today. That is telling me that I want to see at least 50% or the whole thing get traded back into, because that is a big gap. Price is going to want to go fill in that gap. So that was another confluence that I was going to be bullish for today. So after seeing that move at 9:30 and we trade above new week opening gap and created a fair value gap, we creating PD arrays while breaking new week opening gap, and we got that big ass opening range gap higher. Bruh, you dumb if you don't take the trade, bro. That's all the confluence you need. So what did I do? I'm not deleting that new week opening gap because I need that and I don't feel like remarking it. So matter of fact, I got y'all real quick. I got y'all. Just keep in mind that new week opening gap is literally right where that fair value gap is. And this is the opening range gap. We traded to the high end, and that is where I took profits. But so new week opening gap is inside this area, right? After trading above new week opening gap, what did we do? We created a fair value gap. Okay? That is a PD array. I want to see price respect the low end of that fair value gap, which is what? This candle's low right here. The fair value gap is here. The candle that make up that fair value gap, the low, is right there. So what did I do? I went long as we approached the high end of the fair value gap. Put my stop under the low end of the fair value gap. I target the high end of the opening range gap, which was right here. And y'all seen in the goddamn video, I was panicking on this little drop down. But I'm gonna give y'all some insight, right? So there was a trade last week where we did basically the same thing. We came a little bit higher than we came and ran a low, right? I seen that shit and I put my stop under the low and I got stopped out and it went to my TP. So seeing that again, I was like, okay, we can run that low because we still haven't ran into consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. I'm gonna show y'all again right here. Boom. So this red line, let me delete this. These red dotted lines are consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. That is the midpoint of the fair value gap. You will see on this first run down, this black candle right here did not go to the midpoint. It went like smudged right above it, right? So that still leaves opportunity for them to trade back down in there and reach that. So they traded back down in there. They took out the low, trading back into consequent encroachment. I'm knowing this while I'm in a trade, but it's just seeing it, and I just up my contract size. It's just like, you feel me? I'd rather just had a straight up trade, but you feel me? It's trading. That's why I stuck through it. And after that, we got our clean run higher up into the high end of that opening range gap. So that is how I put everything together into just one and creating a nice, beautiful model for myself. You know what I'm saying? So if you learned something from this video, make sure you like the video. If you want more video like these, or if you want me to do a series on navigating the market structure, fair value gaps, fucking bro, all that shit, opening range, all that. Y'all want me to do a series or like a teaching live on my YouTube channel, I'll do that. Let me know. If y'all even came this far into the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next one. We out.